all aboard!
Well, hello folks. What have we got for you today? Well, you may have guessed. It's a box, and there's things in it. It came from eBay, so I'd guess it's probably an eBay unboxing. Only a rough guess. Now then, what have we got? I've already unboxed it myself, but it's as it came out of the box, basically. What's our first little bit of stuff? Well, first bit is an LNER J50. Next is a GNR little 060. The Hornby. That first one was a lemur, shall we say. Next, we have a little 040, an Hornby. I sounded like Fred, didn't I then? A 040. Then next is a 14XX, an old Airfix model. And then let's have a look. Next is a Ginty in pieces. I don't think there's a motor, but I also have in the boxing another. Let's have a look. We've reached everything that's in it. I also have another chassis, which I think, will it take a Ginty? I don't know. Probably. We'll see. It's a Spurs box, that anyway. First up, and unashamedly, as viewers to my channel will know, is one of the little Hornby 040s. With a typical problem, it's lost the funnel, but also it's lost part of the roof. So I think that'll become if it runs, the chassis will be used with another body, so that's a good start. Next, I've wanted one of these in this colour, but it's a GNR, Hornby GNR. I've got it mint boxed in black, but I've wanted the green one, and it needs a bit of attention. It's lost the front buffer beam, but I can make that out of plastic card or whatever. And otherwise, rear buffer beam snapped as well, so that's probably another repair, but it'll be fine. Next is the J50, which is a lemur one, and that needs work on bodywork, mainly round the back here where it's been smashed at the back. So I think we can repair it. I can put a coal load on to hide the damage at the back, fix that bunker, new buffer beam on, should be all tickety-boo. And this one, the 14XX, the Airfix, is in pretty much undamaged condition. I can see, well, yeah, I can see the usual little bits missing. But, in all, it's not in bad condition and pretty complete. It's a pretty good example of it. Anyway, let's see which one of these suckers work. Anyway, here we have the Lima J50. It's on the track. And let's see how this one goes. Try it backwards and up. I think that's possibly getting stuck on the body because it needs some attention. Yeah, so the bodywork needs work, but let's have a look. The actual chassis is all good. Needs a wee bit of a service, but in all intents and purposes it's a decent runner. Service will improve it, so that's a service and repair. Pull that there. Right, next let's have a look at the Hornby GNR. And all that seems beautiful, bit of a clean up, and that'll be perfect. Fairly easy fix with buffer beam. I think it just needs wheels cleaning and possibly a commutator. And that should be jobs are good one. There we go. Next up is the Airfix 14XX. And I've already run this once. It's not a good runner, but it's an easy fix. And let's see what it does. If anything, it did run before, but it was jerky. It needs a good clean up and some adjusting, but it will go. There we go, it is going. Maybe not for long and maybe not perfect, but it is going. And that one, it should be an easy fix. And just bring it back again, if it comes. There we go. If in doubt, hit the baseboard. Well, that's what? Oh, yeah, I've shown the overall, so yeah, that's 4 local projects, 5 in all, if you include the Genty, although that may be used for spares. But here we are. Here's something I've been playing with this morning. A bit of an addition. This wasn't part of the unboxing, but I've been playing with one of my Hornby Sentinel shunters. Beautiful little model. I do like the Sentinels, along with the Pugs. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed. If you've enjoyed, please subscribe. Even better, hit the bell icon for for notifications, and just as good, give a thumbs up so other people get to see the videos. Anyway, tatty pie, people. Tatty pie. There we go, 5:05.